The members of the Khasi Students' Union Nehu unit, along with the support of the Education Cell KSU central body, on the 6th of November 2020, demonstrated a placard display opposing Nehu's decision on admission procedure of students based solely on merit list. Speaking to the media, the General Secretary of the KSU Nehu unit, Richard Malyang, said, they vehemently oppose against Nehu's admission procedure of students based solely on merit lists, for this method is deemed unfair for the students of Meghalaya may not come up to par in accordance to the grade and percentage as compared to the students who reside out of the state. Riches further said, the KSU Nehu unit will see to it that admission process undergo entrance tests for fair and square opportunity to the deserving students. The KSU Nehu unit also expresses their reasons for publicizing their concerns over the matter, for Nehu did not pay heed to their agenda when it was being addressed to them prior to this. In addition, the KSU Nehu unit further puts forward their demand over the declaration of results of the undergraduate examinations at the earliest, to conduct examinations in relation to those who have back papers in different semesters, among others.
With the VC is that the procrastination regarding to the declaration of the UG result, and the second thing is that we want to conduct the entrance test, and we vehemently reject the proposition regarding the merit-based selection for the admission into the different posts available within the campus. And the thirdly is that the university should conduct the back of paper exam. As we have seen that in different university, like the University of Manipur, Dispur University, Cotton University, they have conduct the back of paper prior to the declaration of the UG or the PG result. So we feel that the university should take this initiative by following the UGC guidelines that was published on the 7th of July 2020, which had clearly stated that the back of paper should be conducted when it is feasible or deemed fit. Obviously, we want to issue a direct ultimatum to the VC, that the VC, if you don't listen to these three important issues that we want to discuss with him, and we want him also to place this particular agenda before the academic council, and we want him also to conduct an evaluation council to discuss this particular issue. And if the university or the minister fail to address these three issues, we from the Khasi Student Union, we will have to pursue another step in order to ensure that he will address these three particular issues.